What is going on, my Cardano friends? It's your friend Jack here, and in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the recent Cardano price action and also looking at the Cardano price action compared to Bitcoin. And we're approaching that all-time high for Cardano versus Bitcoin, ADA versus BTC, and it's pretty interesting to see considering how much, traction Cardano has had in the past week against Bitcoin. We might just see a new all-time high for the ADA BTC pair, which would indicate that Cardano is, outperforming and building up some more resistance and also de-pairing itself from Bitcoin as we move forward with the markets. Now, let's take a look at what's going on. So, first things first, Bitcoin's at 45K. Nothing too crazy. It's actually been around at 45K for the past 7 days. It's been around the 44 to 47K mark. But what is more crazy, right? What is more crazy is that Cardano is up, and it continues to be up for the past week, over 28%. We saw a run up from, I believe, 150 to 190 all the way to 225, and now we're sitting back at 223 after we just recently dipped back down to 189. This is pretty insane, okay? And I'm going to show you here. Here's the last all-time high. You're going to see the tops of these major candles are only at 230. So I know our peak was at 245, but we're almost hitting that 230 mark. Right now, we're at $2.22. So I think there's a large possibility we see a new all-time high for Cardano in the next week. There's a very good possibility in my eyes, especially with this pattern right here, the daily pattern. Does that look like it's going to go down to you? It doesn't look like it's going to go down to me. That's just my opinion. I'm just a guy in my mom's basement. But it doesn't look like it's going down to me. And if we're to see these Cardano and BTC pair get a new all-time high, I think there's very little chance that Cardano doesn't break out against USDT. Or, I think there's almost little to no chance that if we break out against Bitcoin's new all-time high for Cardano that we don't also see the breakout over here. So the resistance against Bitcoin is pretty strong. If Bitcoin sits here and Cardano continues to climb, it's going to allow for Cardano to really get up there in my eyes. Because if Bitcoin just stays at 45,000 and Cardano reaches 230, 240, new all-time high, maybe we see not just a new all-time high, but maybe we see that $3 mark, right? That could be a catalyst that propels Cardano up to $3. Now, also keep in mind that I'm just speculating and I don't actually know anything. So take this with a grain of salt. Don't place your bets because I said might go to $3. It's just a possibility. And obviously we're going to have to wait and see because that's all you really can do. At least that's all really I can do when we're looking at the markets and looking at the charts. And I don't have the most technical analysis background. But what I can say is that if we see us break over 5,000 Satoshis, sats, we're going to have a new all-time high for Cardano against Bitcoin. And that's going to turn some heads. That's going to turn some Bitcoin heads. That's going to turn some Cardano heads. That's going to turn the crypto markets up on their heads or head and shoulders. It's going to do things that I think would perpetuate a $3 ADA or more. And that's just my opinion. But I want to let you guys know today that where we're standing right now looks to me very, very bullish for ADA price. Keep in mind, I've been bullish on ADA price this whole time. I just hold the Cardano and, 5-10 years, maybe I'll sell some. But really, I'm not too concerned about the price. I know a lot of people on here are looking at the price in the daily. I don't look at the price in the daily, but I do think it's still interesting to talk about and look at, so I continue to do so. Now, am I going to sell if we hit $3? No. Am I going to buy the same amount if we hit $3? Yes. So does it matter for me? Not really. But it is interesting to see that Cardano is getting more traction. And I hope you guys are excited about it as I am. Because as the price goes up, the people come in. And the more people that come in, the more people that also realize, hey, maybe this is about more than just money. And that's how I came in. That's how I think majority of people come into this space. So the price going up is a really good thing to build more of a community in my eyes. And I'm really hoping we see that $3 get hit, or at least a new all-time high. That'd be pretty interesting. And I do think the Cardano versus Bitcoin chart is looking really interesting right now with these huge candles going up. And if we continue to go up, we're going to see a crazy breakout, not only on the, ADA Bitcoin pair, but also the USD pair. So yeah, that's my thoughts. That's my analysis for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider staking with the Jack stake pool. That's ticker symbol JACK to stake your Cardano with an earned passive income. Hope you guys have a great day. Peace out.